Hello again. This video we're going to talk about offsetting objects. And to use the offset tool, I can click on this tool right here up in the ribbon. It looks like two little arcs with that are pretty much offset from one another. I can click on that and hover into the box, and it says to specify offset distance, so I can say 2 units. Click enter. And then of course I can offset. Okay, I think I hit something there. 2 units, enter. Okay, so now I can just click on any line or object and offset that. This is going to be a line offset, so I clicked on that, and then I move to whichever side I want to offset it to. And then when I get it where I want it to be offset, I'll just click again. Okay, so I offset that line, and I'm still in the offset tool. As long as I don't click any buttons, I can just go around and offset all kinds of things. Okay, now of course right here is this was a rectangle that was drawn using separate lines, not polylines. Polyline rectangles or any other polyline shape works the same way, but you don't have to click on every line, such as this. Okay, I think coming inside is too much for this. That's why you don't see it. But going outside, you can see that it offsets the entire rectangle. Okay, the beauty of that is you don't have to go back and trim all of these lines if this is what you're actually after. If this is what you're after, then great. If not, you could do it this way, but then you have to go back and trim all the lines to set it up how whatever is required. The circle, okay, does the same thing, inside, outside. Okay, and then of course just single lines. Okay, so I use that tool quite often, especially when it comes to putting two parallel lines. I know how far I want them to be from one another, and instead of just drawing another line, I just offset the line that's already there. If I have to do any trimming or extending afterwards, I will. But offset tool is pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. And let me see if there's anything else. Just offset objects. We can mirror objects. We can go ahead and put that in this video as well. So if we want to mirror something, let's get some of this geometry out of our way. Okay, so if I want to mirror this circle, I can go and click on the mirror tool, or I can just type the word mirror into the computer command line. Select objects. I want to select this and this. Okay, now I do not have to hold down the shift button to select multiple objects in AutoCAD. It will continue to select everything I click on until I'm ready and I've selected all the items I want to select, and I hit the enter button. Now it has confirmed the selection of everything I wanted to mirror. Specify first point of a mirror line. So it's telling me to basically start drawing a line wherever I want this object to mirror across. So let's say I want this circle to mirror across, starting here, and pull down. And as you can see, there is an exact copy of that circle, the exact distance on the other side of that mirror line. Okay, and I can also move that around however I want. Okay, and of course I can start that mirror line anywhere I want, depending on the distance away from the original that I want to go. So if I want, I can start way over here, and you see I now have an exact copy, the same distance from that mirror line. Mirroring is very easy, very simple. And of course after you place it, it becomes its own entity. Oops, I forgot that part. Let me show you that again. Okay, once I draw the mirror line and I click to establish that as the definite mirror line, it says erase. It has a message in the dynamic input. It says erase source objects. And if you just click enter, or if you just click again on the mouse, it will erase them. So as you see, the box below it has no selected. So I have to click on the enter button to get it to accept that answer. So no. And there we have our two objects. Looks kind of like some sort of eyes or something there. But that's really all there is to mirroring. There's just it's just too simple. Not anything else that you can do there. So that is the end of this video. And what did we do? We did what did we do? Yeah, we did offsets. I forgot what I did. Offsets and mirroring.